And the time now is 2:03 in the afternoon. And look at the water, guys. It's a bit wavy today. As you can see the waves, you can see um, there's a bit of waves, just a little bit of waves. And I saw someone do surfing. I don't know where is he now. And people do swim today because we have fine weather. The weather now is really cool. There's a sun, but the wind blows, and it's really a great weather to all the people who do swimming here in Shelly Beach. As you can see, guys, I think it's not it's low tide because you already see we can see the swimming pool, beach swimming pool, beach pool, guys. We call this one a beach pool, and everyone, even the kids, can swim there. And you can see there's a block. There's a block going to the wavy water, and even small kids can swim there, guys. It's not really high tide. That's why we can see now the pool, the beach pool in Shelly Beach. And you can see, guys, the people in Australia is chilling out, and having a fresh breeze of water and air here in Shelly Beach. Yay! Nice, guys. And there's the house there. As you can see, someone are taking a photo. And this is the surrounding of this beach, the Shelly Beach, guys. There's houses, a beachfront house, and there is Josephine relaxing. Hi, babe. Hello. Anyway, she's always like that. It's not a snob, guys. Just how you call this? She's very busy in having her own vlog, own live video. And so the shower, guys. You know, here in Australia, guys, everything's free. There's no entrance fee, there's no parking fee. If you want to have a barbecue, you can have a barbecue there. You can see there, guys. It's a big stone. There's too many stones here in Cronulla, just like in Ligaya, in a province of my partner, Josephine, the Muntina clan. Gaganda po ang mga stone din doon. And same here in Australia, most especially in Cronulla Beach and La Perouse. You can see, guys. There's a bird flying around. You can see these guys. The people are very busy. Someone sleeping up there. You can see the wave, guys. The weather now. In the morning, it's really cold. I think it's 14 degrees in the morning, and there's a yacht there. Wow. It's really nice to have a yacht like that. You know, sarap kapag may mga accessory ka, may mga gamit ka sa dagat. There's someone to the jet ski. There he is. Doing jet ski, guys. Wow. Anyway, you can rent a jet ski here, and I think it's $250 an hour. You can have a jet ski. Hey, you can see a nice dog. Hello, doggy doggy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my vlog, this video. Hopefully you subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. the subscriber para po push through all my vlogs. And I ask for your help. And thank you for liking. If you want to share, to see the nice beaches in Australia. At first, there's a Brighton Beach. I videoed the Brighton Beach. Now, I'm in the Cronulla Beach. And I'm here in Shelley Beach. Same place in Cronulla, but um, we call it resort, not resort anymore. And you can see now how nice is our beach pool here. Everyone can enjoy the water because it's low tide. Okay guys, always remember